Hey guys, welcome to Namatil. Today we'll be looking into the preparation of Rava upma. This upma can be prepared using Bansi Rava, medium Rava, or even chiroti Rava. Here I'll be using medium Rava, which is also called as Bombay Rava. First we have to dry roast Rava. For that, heat a pan and add 1 cup of Rava and dry roast it in low flame for about 6 to 8 minutes. Once the Rava is roasted well, transfer it to a plate and keep it aside. Into the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When oil is hot enough, add mustard seeds. When it splutters, add chana dal and urad dal. Saute until dal turns light brown in color. Now add broken dry red chili and curry leaves. You can replace dry red chili with green chili. Add chopped onion and saute until it turns soft. Now add 3 cups of water and allow the water to boil. When water starts boiling, add sugar, salt and fresh grated coconut. Mix it well. Lower the flame and add roasted rava. Immediately stir the mixture to avoid lumps. Cook until all the water is absorbed and rava turns soft. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes for rava to cook completely. Once the rava is cooked well, turn off the flame. Quick and easy rava upma is ready. Hope you all like the recipe. Thank you for watching.